Oh my god, y'all, that smells, oh, this smells amazing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. I create all different type of beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe, join the fam. I would love to have you. For today's video, I am doing a get ready with me. I am going out with my friend Vic for a fun little game date night. But yeah, so you will get to vibe with me, see how I created this makeup look for tonight. Me and my friend are gonna go out and play games. If you are interested in that, then just keep on watching. Before we hop into the tutorial, I want to thank Dossier. They were kind enough to send over some fragrances for me to try. If you are not familiar with Dossier, they are a fragrance company that creates fragrances that are very similar to your luxury high-end brands for a fraction of the price. So this is what your fragrance looks like when it comes in your package, as well as your note card. You are well and able to try out your scent, and if you do not love it, you can send it right back with no risk, no issues, no problems. They've got you covered. I have here is Oriental Sage. The top notes are bitter almond, sage, lavender. The middle notes are leathery notes, orris, and vanilla, and the base note is amber, blonde woods, and tonka bean. So this fragrance is inspired by the Tom Ford fucking fabulous eau de parfum. I love the color of the fragrance, and it has a magnetic top. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my wrist. Oh my god, y'all, that smells, oh, this smells amazing. It's like a mixture of like citrus powder. I'm about to smell amazing tonight. And this is like 2 sprays, and I mean, you don't need a lot when it comes to this fragrance. Like, a little bit goes a long way. I am definitely a huge fan of this scent. It gives me that like classy, bougie, I can dress this up or dress this down. You cannot go wrong with this Oriental Sage. If you are interested in trying any of the fragrances, I have a discount code, so I will have it linked down below in the description box so you can use it. But that is all from Dossier. Let's hop right into the tutorial. I did want to try some new products. This is the Juvias Place eyeliner pen. It's their brow pen. I don't know what color did I get. I got dark brown. I've already filled in my brows. I didn't fill my brow in all the way so you can kind of see, but I wanted to see if this sucker was any good, and it kind of is. I'm impressed. I'm gonna fill in the front of my brow and see what it does. Oh, this is a nice thin line. Did y'all see that? I love these pens. They just make filling in my brows so much easier. So I picked up some new lashes. Can't decide. I really want to wear some dramatic ones just because I'm being such a basic bitch tonight with my outfit. So we'll see. I'm gonna go with the most dramatic ones that I bought. I also got these, but I'm gonna save these. These are fluffy. I don't normally go for lashes this big. Oh my god. Y'all, these are so dramatic. And I'm gonna go in with this mascara. I use this mascara because I like how small it is.
Oh, the lighting is nice out here.
I'm over here trying to take a picture.
No.
Ooh, honey, your car felt like a freaking campfire.
Which one?
This one or this one?
Strawberry watermelon.
Okay.
Do you want me to get the other one?
Yeah.
What's the other one? No, that one don't. But that don't sound, that's a strong, right?
So I need something strong, but should I do that? You do this?
Yeah. Let's swap.
Let's get realistic here. Alright, do you know?
It's blue in here, so you can't see that my drink is pink.
What is mine? I guess yellow, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and your glass big.
Delicious.
Cheers to a whole lot of years.
A friendship. It's been at least 10.
At least. How many friends y'all got like that?
Not me.
None.
Look, I got my sleep mode on. That's how you know I'm a grandma.
She said, bitch, I don't do this. I don't know.
My alarm, let me cut this off. Somebody gonna be trying to call me.
And they're gonna be like, ma'am, Sam, are you okay? Sorry, mommy got out of the house. So sorry. I'm sorry.
The fact that the tenders though, it's only 4 of them.
The fact that we got 10 pounds of fries.
It's okay, this looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Look at these games on the road. The lighting looks really nice in here. Connect 4?
Yeah. Get your ass beat.
How you let me whoop your butt?
I didn't even see it. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh my God.
Lancôme from Dave & Buster's, and I kid you not, this fragrance has been on me all night. You know, I'm always paranoid about fragrances wearing off, not staying, the smell not being as strong. Dossier, you now have a new fan because I am solely impressed on the staying power and longevity of their fragrances, as well as how affordable they are. If you haven't, like I said, make sure to check them out and use my discount for money off. Without further ado, I'm going to end this video. I do hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.